Love beyond age. Does the ideal age gap truly make or break a marriage? On their fifth anniversary, Arav and Meera sat across in a quiet cafe away from the noise of the world, sipping coffee. The sounds of laughter filled the air, garnering looks from the curious those around them. Some looked with admiration, others with quiet whispers. Why? Because Meera was 8 years older than Arav. Their unusual but attractive love story calls into question one of the most controversial relationship issues. What is the optional age difference between a husband and wife? And does it truly signify who is older? Let's dive into the age-old debate, one with societal roots, scientific studies, emotional twists, and stories that defy norms. Society's rule book, who should be older? In many cultures, especially in India, it's a long-standing tradition that the man should be older than the woman in a marriage. The perfect age gap. 3 to 5 years, with the man leading. This belief stems from the idea that men mature slower and thus a slightly older man aligns well with a younger, more emotionally mature woman. But are these standards still relevant in 2025? Think about Bollywood's power couples, Shahid Kapoor and Meera Rajput, 13 years apart. Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas, Priyanka is 10 years older. Aishwarya Rai and Abhishek Bachchan, 2 years apart. Despite the gossip and initial skepticism, these couples have stood strong, reminding us that love often doesn't follow rules. Science chimes in, maturity beyond numbers. Science adds another layer to the puzzle, one based not on tradition but biology and psychology. Physical maturity. Girls enter puberty earlier, 7 to 13 years, boys follow later, 9 to 15 years. This naturally makes women emotionally and mentally mature faster than men at a young age. Emotional and intellectual maturity. Studies show women often reach emotional maturity sooner, making them better at handling relationship complexities earlier in life. Men may catch up later, leading some to believe a slightly older man balances the equation. But here's the catch. Maturity isn't always tied to age. Some people grow wiser through experiences, heartbreaks and hardships, not just birthdays. The legal lens. Minimum age is not maximum wisdom. In India, the legal age for marriage is 18 for girls, 21 for boys. This minimum threshold is based on physical development and legal consent. But maturity for marriage is not guaranteed just because someone turns 18 or 21. The real question is, are they ready to communicate, compromise and grow with someone else? The age gap debate, what's the ideal difference? Here's what the world seems to say. Psychologists recommend 1 to 5 years age difference. Sociologists argue up to 10 years is acceptable if compatibility exists. Relationship coaches say emotional age rather than chronological age. But the statistics are just patterns. Real relationships are full of unpredictability, just like Meera and Arav's. Meera and Arav are love that didn't ask for permission. When they first met at a creative writing workshop, Meera was 35, confident, independent, a best-selling author. Arav was 27, energetic, witty, and just discovering his passion for poetry. Their connection was instant. Friends whispered, families hesitated, strangers speculated. But love stood steady. They didn't see age. They saw each other's minds, hearts and ambitions. 5 years later, they run a literary cafe together, host book readings and raise a dog named Kafka. If you ask them what keeps them going, Arav says, we don't match numbers, we match values. Does it matter who's older? In today's changing world, women lead companies, families and conversations. Men seek emotionally intelligent partners, not younger ones. Marriages thrive on respect, communication, shared goals and trust. So, does it matter who's older? Not really. As long as emotional bandwidth and values align. Age difference and divorce are hidden truth. Interestingly, studies suggest that the larger age gaps over 10 years can increase the risk of divorce, but only if the couple lacks emotional alignment. It's not the number that causes friction, it's the life stage mismatch. One partner wants to travel, the other seeks stability. And different social circles, varying long-term visions. But when couples communicate and adjust together, even a 15-year age gap can feel like nothing. Love beyond logic. At the end of the day, marriage isn't a math equation. It's art, painted with patience, resilience and affection. So what's the ideal age gap? Maybe 2 years, maybe 12. But the real ideal? A partner who listens when you cry, laughs with you when you are silly, grows with you when you change, and stays no matter the number on your birth certificate. Some frequently asked questions about age difference in marriage. Is it okay if the wife is older than the husband? Yes, absolutely. Many successful couples have a wife older than the husband. What is the ideal age difference between husband and wife? While 2 to 5 years is considered ideal, but societal standards, it varies by couple. Can a large age gap affect the marriage? Yes, if maturity levels, interest or life stage doesn't align, but not always. Are there famous couples with a large age gap? Yes, Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas 10 years, Shahid and Meera 13 years. Does society still frown on elder or older women marrying younger men? In conservative circles, yes, but mindsets are changing. What matters more than age in marriage? Respect, communication, emotional maturity, and shared goals. Does science support age gaps? Science emphasizes emotional maturity, not specific age gaps. Is physical compatibility affected by age? It can be, but emotional and mental compatibility plays a bigger role in long term. Can people with a 10 plus years age gap stay happily married? Yes, if both partners are emotionally mature and aligned in life goals. Is it legal for an older woman to marry a younger man in India? Yes, there's no restriction as long as both are adults, 18 plus for women, 21 plus for men. Are marriages with the small age gaps more successful? Statistically, maybe, but every relationship is unique. How do parents react to unconventional age gaps? It depends on their mindset. Some may resist initially due to societal pressure. What if the husband is 5 to 10 years older? This is quite common in India and usually accepted by society. To deal with judgment about age gaps, stay confident, focus on your relationship, not public opinion. And do age gap relationships need extra effort? Sometimes yes, especially in syncing life goals, but with love, it's worth it.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.